Hey there, tool lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the most amazing tools that can make your life easier. In today's video, we've rounded up 10 cool tools available on Amazon that you'll definitely want to check out. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Hodo Electric Screwdriver Tool Set combines functionality with a minimalist design, offering a seamless blend of style and practicality. Its toolbox features a smooth, fine-textured ABS outer case with hidden side buckles for a sleek opening experience. This set is compact and portable for on-the-go storage in an RV, garage, or closet. It's ideal for appliance repair, furniture assembly, woodworking, and DIY crafts. The 3.6-volt cordless screwdriver includes 3-level torque adjustment, a ring LED shadowless lamp, and extended battery life for efficient performance. Paired with an adjustable spanner featuring a 25mm extra-wide jaw, it easily handles repairs. The claw hammer's magnetic nail starter enables one-handed operation, while the non-slip rubber cap protects surfaces and reduces noise. A set of 10 durable S2 alloy steel bits covers diverse household needs. Additional tools include multipurpose needle nose pliers with a labor-saving spring design for gripping, cutting, and curling, and a self-lock measuring tape with 10 feet of accurate, smooth retracting tape. This versatile and thoughtfully designed tool set caters to home maintenance requirements. Number 2. The DIY Screwdriver 24-in-1 is a compact yet versatile tool set crafted for durability and convenience. Made from high-strength S2 chromium molybdenum alloy steel, its 24 industrial-grade bits and 5 different screwdriver head types are designed for both professional and home use. The continuous heat treatment ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable choice for various tasks. This tool set combines a ratchet wrench and screwdriver into one efficient device. Its innovative 58-tooth ratchet mechanism offers smooth, labor-saving operation with positive and negative rotations, requiring 80% less effort. The ergonomic handle and dismantling ratchet sleeves enhance comfort and usability, especially during prolonged work. With replaceable arms and a compact design, it's ideal for tight spaces and versatile tasks, from DIY projects to garage repairs. The easy-to-identify color ring design makes locating the correct bit quick and simple. Constructed from super-hard aluminum alloy, the tool is both lightweight and strong, ensuring easy handling. Whether you're tackling home maintenance, assembling furniture, or performing professional repairs, this multifunctional screwdriver set is built to meet all your needs with precision and ease. Number 3. The Always CT31 3-in-1 caulk tool is a versatile and efficient solution for caulking tasks. Designed with a comfortable soft grip handle and durable engineering plastic for long-lasting use, its multifunctional design simplifies removing old caulk, applying new caulk, and smoothing beads for a professional finish. The stainless steel blade enables quick and easy removal of old caulk, with the option to push or pull for optimal control. For smoothing freshly laid caulk, the tool features a rotatable silicone triangle offering 3 bead profiles: narrow, medium, or wide, tailored to your specific needs. A plastic scraper provides additional assistance in removing stubborn residues and cleaning up excess materials. Suitable for use with acrylic, latex, and silicone caulk, this tool is perfect for a variety of home improvement projects, including windows, baths, and showers. The Always CT31 3-in-1 caulk tool delivers professional results with minimal effort, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. Number 4. The DeWalt DPG 82-11 Concealer Clear Anti-Fog Safety Goggles offer robust protection and comfort for a variety of tasks. Featuring a DeWalt Tough Coat hard-coated polycarbonate lens, these goggles resist scratches and meet ANSI Z87.1 Plus standards, while providing 99.9% UV protection. The anti-fog lens coating and ventilation channels ensure clear visibility even in challenging conditions, reducing fogging and enhancing breathability. The low-profile design delivers a full field of vision, making these goggles suitable for detailed work. The soft, dual-injected rubber conforms comfortably to the face, effectively shielding against dust and debris. An adjustable elastic cloth head strap ensures a secure and comfortable fit for extended use. Ideal for demanding environments, these goggles combine durability with advanced protective features for reliable performance. Number 5. The 2-in-1 needle threader is a versatile and portable sewing tool that combines convenience and efficiency. Its compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for on-the-go sewing projects, easily fitting into any toolbox or pocket. Whether at home or traveling, it ensures quick seam removal and easy needle threading whenever needed. This multifunctional tool integrates a seam ripper and a needle threader into one, simplifying tasks like removing seams and threading needles. The double head design allows effortless switching between functions, making it indispensable for sewing enthusiasts handling small repairs or large projects. Featuring an upgraded threading mechanism, it enables easy operation with minimal effort. Simply insert the needle, hook the thread, and pull back to complete threading without straining your eyes. Designed for both beginners and experienced sewers, this tool enhances your sewing experience with precision and ease. Number 6. The wire mag puller is an innovative and efficient cable running tool designed to simplify electrical work. It provides electricians with full control and flexibility, making it easy to navigate cables behind wooden pillars, paneled walls, plasterboard, steel frame walls, floors, and carpets. Perfect for rewiring finished spaces, it speeds up cable laying without requiring specialized training. Equipped with 2 magnet shapes, this tool can smoothly pass through holes of varying sizes and enclosed spaces, bypassing insulation and obstacles. It enables seamless cable pulling under floors to designated access points. Designed to save time and effort, it eliminates the need for extensive wall damage or repeated trips to the attic. The fish belt pulling system ensures smarter, more efficient work processes. The non-damaging design protects walls and reduces labor when reconnecting or replacing cables. Ideal for installers, the wire mag puller is a reliable tool that enhances precision and efficiency in cable installation tasks. Number 7. The Pacific Handy Cutter S7 Safety Cutter is a versatile and secure cutting tool designed for precision and efficiency. Its robust metal protective guard ensures safe and accurate cutting while protecting both users and box contents. The steel guard is durable and guides perfect cuts every time, enhancing workplace safety and productivity. Featuring a spring-back mechanism, the blade and guard retract automatically when not in use, minimizing the risk of injury. The ergonomic handle includes a fold-out film cutter, ideal for cutting shrink wrap, plastic straps, and twine. The recessed blade is replaceable, ensuring long-term functionality. A heavy-duty tape splitter allows safe cutting of reinforced tape without exposing blades, reducing wear and extending blade life. The tool also includes a quick, tool-free blade replacement system with a storage compartment that holds up to 5 extra blades, ensuring you always have sharp blades at hand. With its combination of safety features, precision, and durability, the S7 Safety Cutter is perfect for various cutting tasks in professional and industrial environments. Number 8. The Wyken Cable Stripper No. 4 to 29 Spiral is a highly efficient tool designed for the precise stripping of cables with an outer diameter of 4.5 mm to 29 mm. Its innovative spiral cut function makes it easy to remove even challenging insulation. This versatile tool also supports round and longitudinal cuts, ensuring adaptability for various tasks. The adjustable blade depth, ranging from 0 to 3 mm in 0.1 mm increments, ensures precision without damaging inner cable layers. Its lockable knob guarantees consistent settings for accurate results every time. Safety is a priority with this tool, featuring an ergonomic design and a blocking system that prevents accidental opening during longitudinal cuts, protecting the blade from breaking. Whether for professional electricians or DIY enthusiasts, this cable stripper combines precision, versatility, and safety for efficient cable stripping. Number 9. The Saker Mini Rotary Toolkit is a compact and lightweight cordless device designed for precision and comfort. Its pen-like design ensures ultimate control during use, making it ideal for detailed tasks. Equipped with a 4-volt rechargeable battery and Type-C quick charging, it offers extended usage and convenience for efficient work. This versatile rotary tool set includes 24 popular accessories, suitable for carving, sanding, grinding, polishing, or cutting, making it perfect for DIY projects like resin crafts. It delivers high performance with low noise, though it's not intended for heavy-duty tasks. The tool features an LED indicator for blind illumination, reducing shadows and enhancing accuracy in low-light conditions. With a 5-speed adjustment, 5,000 to 15,000 RPM, users can easily customize the speed for different tasks, ensuring safety and precision. Even beginners can operate it effortlessly, making it a practical addition to any toolbox. Number 10. The Hodo Cordless Brushless Drill 12-volt offers a new, intelligent interactive experience with its LED display screen. The digital torque adjustment allows you to select from 30 gears for precise control, with up to 30 Nm of torque. The drill features a pulse mode, which intermittently starts and stops to ensure safety and prevent user injury, making it suitable for both novices and professionals. This premium minimalist design sets it apart from traditional electric drills. The fuselage is crafted with matte materials and an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in your hand, reducing strain during extended use. This drill's design won the 2022 iF Design Award for its sleek, mechanical beauty. The Hodo drill features USB-C charging, an innovative feature not seen in most drills. The built-in battery is lightweight, compact, and can be charged through any USB-C port, making it convenient for use with power banks or other devices. With a compact size and weighing just 1.94 pounds, this drill is easy to handle, especially in tight spaces or overhead applications. Its lightweight design reduces hand fatigue and supports long-term use, while the cordless, portable design makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor tasks. Equipped with a 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery, the drill offers long battery life, capable of driving up to 550 screws on a single charge. The brushless motor ensures smooth, spark-free operation, longer lifespan, and quieter performance. With a maximum speed of 1,400 RPM, it meets the drilling and screw driving needs of everyday tasks.